Reach into the refrigerator and grab an alarm clock and a bottle of drink. Next.
After it is opened, have a friendly conversation with it and walk in. After you walk in,
You will see
a field
of green
and a
Walk
playground with
towards-
children.
Take a slide down that slide, but be careful of the people below. They will rape you.
No going to the bathroom.
Don't take a dump when you're blue. When sliding down, make sure you bounce.
Yes.
It helps.
Your spirit fly out of you. Hello, bananas! I really like bananas!
Here are not bananas, they are bells.
Ooh, let me put it on my face. Oh, it smells so good.
Ooh, this kid wants to get high with me. Kid, get high with me.
I love children. Yummy.
Triple breasted women swim around town, totally naked. We drove around in a time machine like the one in the film I seen.
Let's put it on my child.
Child. Ooh, wrap it around his groin. You have to reach underneath it. And pull.